prosper as always. Whew. I can't believe I ate the whole thing of that borscht. Here I want to show you something. The idea that I wanted to share with you. A tangerine and a needle. So, our emotions, which I sometimes call emotional slime, I like this tangerine. And our logic is like this needle. So we put a needle inside of a tangerine. And you know, this tangerine can rot, could be eaten, could be degrade and everything else. But what is really important in our lives is to have that small metal needle of logic. You understand me? This tangerine, look, it's already has the signs of rotting. It will rot. The emotional slime will rot. But this needle will stay because it's made of metal. The needle of logic. Okay? Let me show you how this tangerine is rotten. My God. Like this, like this. Look, this tangerine of emotions, of not thinking, of hot-headedness, emotional decision making, it will rot and be eaten. Here. What you need to remember is to have a needle of logic, a small needle, but made of metal, and use it to your advantage. Of course, someone would say there is also such thing as harmony, that basically logic is emotions and emotions are logic. I agree, yeah. Evolutionary, yeah, but in our state of the humans of the 21st century, you could be harmonical. If you're harmonical, it's very good for you. But if most people shift out of harmony, their emotions don't help their logic, and their logic doesn't help their emotions. So remember to have this metal needle of logic inside of you, you know, and forget about the emotional slime. Okay? Thank you. Live long and prosper as always.